What's good, YouTube? This your boy Big Trump 345 back with another banger. Today, I will be walking y'all through the process of what it takes to install the Demon hood. I want to walk y'all through the good, the bad, and the ugly. I want to let y'all know what went smooth and what actually took a little bit of time for us to get right. Because this isn't just your normal modification. This just isn't a hood that you just throw on and just bolt it on and go. There's a little bit more specifications and a little bit more technicalities that go into this when you're trying to install a hood and if you want to do it right. So without further ado, we're gonna get straight into it. Let's do it. Yeah. So here's a quick look with it closed. Everything flush, everything lined up perfectly as it should be. Can't wait to see what this fitment gonna look like once we swap it out. And here's a quick look on how it looks with the hood open. As you can see, OEM hood struts are still intact. These will be the hood struts that we are using. We will be reusing this for this build. They still good, they still strong, ain't nothing wrong with them. Time for the good stuff. We starting to unloosen the bolts. I think that goes to the bracket, correct? Big shout out to my mechanic, Mr. James. He came through in the clutch as always. Y'all need any Mopar work done or any work done to any of y'all vehicles, man, y'all tap in. My boy gonna get y'all right every time. All right, guys, as you can see, first strut complete. Let me get in close so y'all can see what's really going on, man. And just like that, the hood struts are removed. All right, guys, so after about 2.5 hours of hard work, disassembling the underneath side of the OEM hood and attaching everything to the new Demon hood, and then actually getting the Demon hood fitment tested and put on the car, and get that installed and everything. We got everything taken care of. So right now we're finished with the product. I actually missed a big part of the video recording because I was so tied in actually helping out and trying to get everything situated the way that it needed to be, that I wasn't able to actually pick up the camera.